So today, all right, so we have a nightstand from Vrista. That is V-R-I-S-T-A, Vrista. Now this is a nightstand and a charging table. It's got 2 USB ports and 2 regular outlets. Now it's very efficient because you're gonna plug it in one socket, and then it's got the other sockets for charging. That way you don't need as many blocks, super quick, and it's versatile. So we are gonna take this apart today and see what's in the box. So this is how you're gonna receive it. And I'm gonna put it together, but I will speed it up so you don't have to watch me cry. Now, this is gonna stand 24 inches tall, 16 wide, and 12 inches deep. Now, this is gonna be pretty simple to put together. Now, here's your drawer right there. Now, this is engineered wood, so it's kind of already, well, it's gonna last you a while. And God, that's nice. Now, the colors are rustic brown and black. So, there's some drawers. Let's see. We got, this is the top. We have the bottom of the drawer right there. More stuffing. Now this is packaged very well, which is nice because you know when you want to put something together, it ain't gonna be all scratched up. We have part of the leg. We have another part of the leg. We have a drawer pull, feet, and looks like a little Allen wrench and some nuts and some bolts. I don't see any nuts with this. Here is the outlet itself. Now this is the board. Now everything is numbered and labeled. And actually the finish is super nice on this. Some more poles. Okay, so let me get rid of this box. That's just all boxed up. Now, this is what it's going to look like when you get it. It has very easy to read instructions, and everything is labeled, so you know how to put it together and what goes where and what you'll need. So that's a step-by-step. So, what we're going to do is we're going to sort this out, and then we're going to put it together so you and me can put this together, and find out what it takes to put this together. So you shouldn't need any tools. It should have everything with it, but we're going to check it out. All right, be right back with you. that took roughly about 10 minutes to put together. I just went straight through, and you've seen the steps. I sped it up because I don't want this to be too long. Now, it has the adjustable feet, so if your surface isn't totally level, you can level it out. The shelves will hold about, I got notes here. The shelves will hold about 60 pounds total, so 20 per shelf, 20 pounds. Now, the unit itself weighs about 12 pounds. It's got the drawer here that pulls out. It's a soft drawer. Very easy to assemble. I mean, for a guy like me, just putting it together, very easy, very sturdy. A lot sturdier than I thought it would be. Now, here is where you would plug in your plug-ins and then your charging ports right here, your USB. So, you just plug it into a wall, find a good spot, and you're all set. Now, the reason why I went ahead and put the charging port to the front is I like my stuff on the top of the shelf. You can put it on the back side. It has another spot to where you can put it in the back. That's in case you want to charge your stuff on the second shelf. So it's very versatile, very well made. I mean, I'm surprised how well it's made and how easy it went together. It comes with a few extra oops bolts in case you lose one rolls away. It comes with these here. Now, the tool I used was a Phillips. It does have a Phillips tip here, but I'm more comfortable with something a little bit bigger that I can get my hands on. So it does come with everything you need to assemble it. So you don't need any extra tools. It comes with that. It comes with the extra bolts, leveling. Very nice finish. Very nice. Now that is the rustic. It's like a darker finish, like a walnut. Yeah, and I'm gonna get probably years and years of use out of this one. All right, that's what I got for today. I will see you guys next time. Thanks.